Masking passwords with Password Station. To help prevent unauthorized access, you can mask passwords when they are typed in Password Station. To do so, start at the AIMS Configuration module. Under Options, select Security. In the Password Masking section, choose whether to display passwords or mask them to prevent unauthorized access. When left unchecked, the password masking options are enabled so that whatever you enter in a password field is replaced with asterisks or blanks. Security best practices recommend you always mask passwords, so leave these options unchecked to hide passwords from view. Select the Enable Password Strength Indicator checkbox so users receive feedback on a password's relative strength. When you enable the Password Strength Indicator, a password's strength is represented as a red, yellow, or green feedback line. For more on masking passwords, visit the Avatier Support Wiki.